I also want to wish to inform the Honorable House that, as you are aware, Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Oulanyah, has been unwell for the last 2 weeks. During the period, he was receiving medical attention from Lago Referral Hospital. The medical experts, in consultation with other doctors, with his personal doctors, decided to refer him out of Mulago to a specialized medical hospital for better attention. Subsequently, on 4th February, that was Friday, the Right Honorable Jacob Oulanyah traveled out of the country for treatment. We pray he recovers faster and comes back to resume his job. Sickness is for everybody, and this statement is not for a debate. I am only informing you what is happening to your leader.